Welcome to Catalina Treats Gluten-Free Bakery. I'm Jessie, and this is flavor number 2 of our 30 flavor chia challenge, Sunday Brunch Mimosa. This recipe is tasty and refreshing. I'm making a single serve, but we're going to make it in 2 ways. Start with 1 orange, slice it in half, and juice it up. You should get about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of orange juice. I'm going to use this juicer grater I found on Amazon. It's really terrific. There's a link below if you'd like to check it out. Add 2 tablespoons dry whole chia seeds into the fresh squeezed orange juice and stir. Let it sit for about 5 minutes and stir it again. Set it in the refrigerator for at least an hour, or you can leave it overnight. Let it gel. When you're ready to serve, stir the orange juice and chia again and spoon it into the serving dish. I'm dividing the recipe so I can add ginger ale to 1 dish and sparkling water to the other. You could add lemon lime soda or champagne, or just stick with the orange juice and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you want a little sweetener, add a teaspoon of pure maple syrup. Sprinkle the top with a little maple sugar and garnish with a slice of orange. Set it back in the refrigerator for just a few minutes and let it gel up a little bit more. This is a fun, easy way to enjoy chia. Lots of protein, omega, and fiber. It's such a nice, light Sunday brunch treat. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends and family. We're always creating great new recipes at Catalina Treats Gluten-Free Bakery.